How to make keto baked ham and cheese roll-ups. The ingredients: 6 sliced deli-sliced Black Forest ham, 6 sliced cheddar cheese, 4 medium eggs, 1 tablespoon fresh chives, 1 tablespoon butter, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 F. 2. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and fresh chives. 3. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the butter and the whisked eggs. Scramble the eggs for about 3 to 6 minutes or until cooked to your liking. 4. On a cutting board, lay out the ham slices. Top with sliced cheddar cheese. 5. Then top with the scrambled eggs. Carefully roll the ham slices with the cheese and eggs in the middle. 6. Lay the roll-ups with the flaps on the bottom into a baking sheet. 7. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes or until the cheese starts to melt. 8. Garnish with extra chives. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of keto baked ham and cheese roll-ups. Each serving comes out to be 394 calories, 29.9 grams fat, 2.9 grams net carbs, and 28.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, click on the link in the description for more recipes.